Mrs. Jill Evans, 1 minute. Take the floor, please.
Thank you, President. Commissioner, I very much support this proposal to merge the school milk and the fruit and vegetable scheme because it's in the interests of children, of local farmers and producers, and of local communities and economies. The long-running school milk scheme has been a success, but for the 7th year now, children in my constituency in Wales have missed out on the school fruit scheme because the UK opted out. Learning healthy eating at school is essential. Obesity is a growing problem, and schemes like this can help us tackle it. Children in Wales and the UK lose out so the government can maximise the UK Treasury rebate. Now, I want my constituents to have the same opportunities as the some 8 million children and 54,000 schools a year in other countries which receive free fruit and vegetables, benefiting their health and their education. And I'll continue to work for the adoption of this scheme in Wales. Diolch yn fawr. Thank you.
Thank you very much indeed. Deputy John Stewart, NU, 1.5 minutes. Take the floor, please.
Thank you, Chairman. Give a man a fish and you will feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you will feed him for life. €250 million a year sounds a great deal of money, but divided